Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by opening settings and navigating to time and language, then date and time. Once there, turn off Set Time automatically so you can make changes. This lets you control values directly. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account because modifying system time requires elevated rights. If your PC uses a domain or company policy, pause here and notify IT. Otherwise, proceed to change the date and time fields. This first step ensures manual edits won't be overwritten immediately. Next, set the correct time zone from the drop-down so local time calculations match your location. Automatic zone detection can be wrong if your network hides location data. If automatic zone is toggled on and misbehaving, turn it off and pick the zone manually. After setting zone and manual date/time, use Sync Now to contact the Internet Time Server. This forces alignment with NTP. Once done, verify the clock advances correctly for a minute or two to confirm successful synchronization. To finish, re-enable Set Time automatically only after you've confirmed the clock stays accurate. This reduces manual drift. If automatic sync fails, open Services. MSC and ensure Windows Time Service is running and set to automatic start. This service handles NTP coordination. Also check your firewall or router is not blocking NTP, UDP port 123. If problems continue, consider a failing CMOS battery causing persistent incorrect BIOS time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.